guys, it's Yaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be attempting the wet look on my natural hair. So usually my hair gets like really curly, it has volume, it gets big as the days go on, but today I'm trying out the wet look. We're gonna see if I can get this slick and laid and basically wet looking. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into this. So my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned, so it's wet right now. I'm going to go ahead and re-wet my whole head again just so it's soaking wet when we do this. The products I'm going to be using is my Salon Selectives Frizz Control Leave-In. I feel like with a Frizz Control Leave-In, it'll help everything lay. My Alkane Naturals Creamy Brulee, because this semi gave me a wet look before, so I feel like it'll freeze every curl and actually lay it down and give it the hold that I need. And then as well, I'm going to put the Wetline Extreme on top and hope my hair doesn't fall out using this combination. I hope my hair doesn't get too stiff and hard, and you know, I'm taking a risk with this. So I also got my board bristle brush to lay things down. Ow, that hurt. Let's just get into this. I'm gonna go re-wet my hair. Alright, step one, hair is fully saturated. Let's do this. Salon Selectives Frizz Control Leave-In. I'm gonna apply quite a bit. I think also for this style, maybe to go heavy-handed, just so my hair can lay, because automatically my hair likes to reach towards the sun. It doesn't like to lay. Y'all, I'm scared already because the way my hair absorbs moisture, y'all saw I just re-wet it and it just took all the moisture from this leave-in and soaked it up that fast. My hair is not even soaking anymore. It takes any bit of moisture and it takes it and holds it captive. Okay, we're gonna go section by section and apply the creamy brulee, and then on top of that, the wet line. And I think I'm gonna slick my sides down too, so it's gonna be like something. And I'm gonna put it for my section. I usually kind of put it up in a bun when I'm sectioning, but I'm gonna lay it so my hair is training itself to lay. Okay, adding more water. Detangle. Alkane Naturals Creamy Brulee. I'm scared to apply my wet line on top of this. Oh my god. See, that already just lays it. So, okay, wet line. Maybe a little bit more. I do not want to put this in my hair. I'm scared. Okay. It's giving it the extra hold right away. But wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's smooth it. Okay. After each section, I'm thinking to brush down the roots so I can lay flat. Once again, I'm scared. Maybe I should put like a lot more gel at my roots just to make sure it's laying flat. Alright, first section is done. It's laying. There's not a bit of frizz, it's laying. So, let's continue. This combo for a regular wash and go might just shake things up because it's eliminating all my frizz. And they actually feel good together, so I might have to start using this combo together regardless, because what frizz. Brush this towards the back. This is so much gel. Oh my gosh. Lay down. It's already trying to pop back up. Lay. Don't disrespect me. Don't disrespect me. Do not disrespect me. Do not even think about it. Do not even think about disrespecting me. Y'all, you gotta talk to your hair. Like, yo, do not even think about disrespecting me. I need a bobby pin. I think we're getting somewhere, but we're gonna have to apply some more gel in this front area because I already know what's gonna happen. The disrespect is gonna happen. This is one side. It's looking pretty wet. It's looking pretty wet. Let's do this other side. Look at the comparison. You know we gotta do this comparison real quick. That's wild. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay. This is making me want to throw on some bronzer and put a little some highlighter on, and it's giving me all types of vacation vibes. This side, it's giving me a vibe. Look at shrinkage. My hair cannot help but to shrink. Okay, this is what we're looking like so far. I need to fix this bobby pin. It's gonna drive me crazy, but yeah. Let's see how the back's looking. I need to fix this bobby pin, yo. Alright, so I'm basically about to go sit under my hooded dryer. I'm trying to think, should I put a scarf on and then sit under the dryer? I think that's how I'm gonna do it. But I'm looking pretty wet. I'm looking pretty wet, so okay, y'all, so I got my do-rag and I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair while letting my hair sit under my hooded dryer. I think, should I just do my baby hairs now? I think I'm gonna sculpt them now, because who does this kind of look without baby hairs? And tie my hair down now and leave my baby hairs alone. Okay, we got this. Let's go sit on the hooded dryer for about 30 minutes or so and see how my hair looks when it's dry. Okay guys, so here is my final look and I love it. I achieved the wet look. I definitely feel like it looks wet. I feel like I did it. I keep trying to put my hair to the front, so if it's split down the middle, that's why. But overall, my hair still looks wet. My hair is about 90% dry, 95% dry. And we got some waves going on. We got the baby hair, and this stayed super curly. So that combo, you guys, actually really works. get you some Alakae Naturals creme brulee and the wet line on top. Killer combo, but you gotta use that frizz control leave-in too, and I get that at Dollar Tree. It's my favorite. Yeah, especially with the hoops and eyebrows and lip gloss, I feel like this is so cute. This is giving me vacation vibes. Like, I just want to go on a vacation now and just have my hair wet and slicked, okay? Put one of them little flowers in your hair, have you looking like a fly, mamacita, fuego. Like, this is cute. This is actually cute. Like, I think more in like the summertime I might actually break out this look again. It just, you know, it's laying. It's cute. It's cute. I think I achieved this look. Comment down below how you think I did, how you think the wet look looks on me. I like it. It's cool. I'm about to go out the house like this right now, actually. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys.